Hello, I am Deepa Charadi from Belgaum district, Ankle. I pursued my engineering in the stream of electronics and communication at the VSM Somshekar Kotiwale Institute of Technology, Nippani, with the aggregate of 65.15%. After my degree, I joined J Spiders Rajajinagar. Before joining, I don't even one programming language also. After joined here, I learned Java full stack course from basics. J Spiders Rajajinagar is a good platform to learn new technical skills. The teaching is excellent here. Keshav sir and Uday sir taught us Java concepts very well, which helped me to crack interviews. Bhuvan sir SQL teaching is extraordinary, and Sharik sir programming classes helped a lot to clear the initial round. And totally HR team is supportive and provides good opportunity, and most of all the companies they give top MNC companies. I am thankful for J Spiders Rajajinagar.